Essay on Allama Muhammad Iqbal, English translation. Introduction. Allama Muhammad Iqbal was a great poet, philosopher, thinker, and politician of the Indian subcontinent. He is famously known as the poet of the East, Shahri-Mashriq. Iqbal was not only a shining star of Urdu literature, but also played a key role in awakening the political and intellectual consciousness of Muslims. Early life. Allama Muhammad Iqbal was born on 9th November 1877 in Sialkot. His father, Sheikh Nur Muhammad, was a pious and devout man. Iqbal received his early education in Sialkot and later earned a master's degree in philosophy from Government College Lahore. He then went to Europe for higher studies, where he obtained a degree in philosophy from Cambridge University and earned a doctorate from the University of Munich in Germany. Poetry and philosophy. Iqbal's poetry is not just a collection of words, but a message, a movement, and a call to action. The central theme of his poetry is khudi, selfhood or self-awareness, through which he urges individuals to realize their true worth. His famous works such as Bangidra, Bali Jibril, Jarbi Kalim, and Armghani Hijaj are considered treasures of Urdu poetry. Iqbal's vision and the concept of Pakistan. Iqbal deeply reflected on the causes of the decline of Muslims and used poetry to awaken them. He regarded Muslims as a distinct nation and presented the dream of a separate state for them. In his famous Allahabad address of 1930, he was the first to present the concept of an Islamic state, which later laid the foundation for the creation of Pakistan. Death. Allama Iqbal passed away on 21st April 1938. He was buried near the Badshahi Mosque in Lahore. His mausoleum remains a significant spiritual and national symbol for Muslims to this day. Conclusion. Allama Iqbal was a great leader, thinker, and poet whose ideas remain a guiding light even today. His dream, poetry, and message call us towards self-awareness, unity, and action. His life is a shining example for the youth of every generation.
If you liked my video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so I can keep bringing you more videos like this. You can ask me about any topic, and I will always be here to help you.